Well, the BJP Samit Patra is with us. So, Samit, how would you like to respond to that caller? BJP is just good for making halla gulla, as he said in the parliament, but they're not taking up issues strongly.
Yeah, I'm still smiling because I don't read much into what the respected caller has said. But answering the crux question, that is whether Mr. Advani's statement has hurt us, I would like to make a very candid statement over here. Look, because of the virtue of the internal democracy within the party, and because we are a cadre-based party, it is very natural that BJP has a constellation of leaders. And because we have a galaxy of leaders, we have multitude of options for the top post. And when there is a multitude of options for the top post, it is but natural to have an air of competition around. Please don't read the air of competition as differences within the party, and that's what Mr. Advani was speaking. The perception that the debates, the media and the speak-outs have created is that there's differentiation within the party, there are differences within the party. No. It is just the air of...
But LK Advani has admitted that.
No, he has told the idea that has gained ground. That the perception that has been unfortunately created is that we have differences. No, it is just the air of competitiveness, which is good for healthy democracy. And PUC, let me tell you, in a healthy democracy, this competitiveness at the end becomes consensus and one single person emerges as the leader of the collective leadership.
All right, we just hope that really happens soon when BJP comes to power, if at all, but we'll have to work hard for that for sure. But joining me now is the other caller, Gopal from Delhi. Gopal, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm of the view that he is such a senior leader. Hello?
Yes, Gopal.
Yeah, he is such a senior leader for the party and he has done so much for the party. Now that BJP looks to be within a striking distance of the goal of 2014, he is very much justified if he feels left out at this point of time. One should also take a lesson from the way the Congress has treated Pranab Mukherjee when, for all those things, when there was a presidency opportunity for being a president, the party gave that position to Pranab Mukherjee. Similarly, I feel that Advani should be given the chance this time.
All right, Advani should be given that chance this time, you feel. But let's hear from our other caller, Ved Prakash from Delhi, who joins us now, what he feels. Ved Prakash, go ahead.
हाँ नमस्कार, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ?
जी बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, बताइए।
अडवाणी जी ने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है।
हाँ जी, बताइए।
अडवाणी जी ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है कि लोगों का बीजेपी से भी मोह भंग हो गया है और कांग्रेस से भी हो गया। ये बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है, मगर जो अपना अपना विश्लेषण ये दे रहे हैं लोग, ये सर्वस्व है, मगर ये कि इनको जनता की नब्ज टटोलनी नहीं आई है, क्योंकि ये जनता के बीच में आते नहीं हैं। हेलो
जी जी, आपकी बात हम सुन पा रहे हैं, जारी रखिए अपनी।
तो मेरी प्रार्थना ये है कि इन लोगों को बड़े ध्यान से अडवाणी जी के बयान को बड़ा गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए और खास तौर से ये जो राजनाथ सिंह जी के नीचे जो टीम बन रही है, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है। गडकरी जी को लेकर के जो भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप जो आया है और उधर क्या बोलते हैं येदियुरप्पा साहब का जो उधर वहाँ पे कर्नाटक में है, वो भी दोनों ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी की छवि को बहुत गहरा धक्का लगाया है। हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से समझा जाता था कि हम जो है 100 पैसे में से 99 पैसे का हिसाब रखते हैं, मगर वो नहीं रही है अब पार्टी में बात।
ठीक है, वेद प्रकाश जी आपने कॉल किया, हमसे बात की, थैंक्स वेरी मच फॉर दैट। सो वेद प्रकाश, they are feeling the image of BJP has taken a hit owing to a couple of corruption cases, but then things stand where they are, and he feels that people need to have a contact from the ground level. They should come amongst the masses, amongst people, to actually get the sense of it. Dr. Patra, do you agree with the caller that not many leaders of the BJP have actually been with the masses? They have to get a sense of what's their feeling there.
Piyush, look, if we would not have been with the masses, we would not have been setting a hat-trick in Gujarat. We would not have been winning Madhya Pradesh. We would not have established our government in Chhattisgarh. And in Rajasthan, I believe we are going to return very soon. In Delhi also, we'll prove the mantle. So it is because of the fortunate groundwork. Because of the hard work on the ground, it is possible that our leaders are again and again winning and coming. So I believe it is not justified to say that we are not on the ground.
All right, joining me now is the other caller on the show. Tariq joins us from Kashmir. Tariq, go ahead.
Yeah. I think Mr. Advani is one of the tallest leader in the BJP, and everybody knows him because of his knowledge and every hold in the politics. And I think he's absolutely right, because the BJP can't just win the elections on the name of the Hindutva. And I don't think in this point of time BJP can just fool the people. They just vote for us. We'll just build that temple. We'll do that thing. Because people are just fed up of these things now. People only need some of the development. People of the India need that. Whether it is Muslim or Hindu or Christian, it should live in friendly environment. And the BJP, they are trying to just divide and rule like the England people. They were just trying in India a few decades back. No, if people of India, we don't need this. We want to live in the friendly environment. And the BJP, they don't want, they just want to just gain the politics.
Okay.
They want to do the politics. I don't think it will just match up this time. Okay.
Thanks very much, Tariq, for sharing your views. So there's another point that our caller has touched upon, Dr. Shivra Kumar Datta. Coming to you now, of course, he's touched upon the temple or the Hindutva card that the BJP also plays time and again. He says that people are just looking for development, not really all these things anymore. It's about progress of the country on the whole, but also talking about the core problems of the BJP. What do you think are the bigger challenges confronting the party?
Piyushi, before I come to that, I would like to respond to the, the views of the callers first and foremost.
Go ahead.
I always say that there is certain thing called divine, and I have always said